Are you ready to prepare your living trust, will, advance healthcare directive, or other estate documents? Here at estateLDA, we merge your legal document needs with modern technology. The COVID-19 pandemic has changed how we do just about everything, and going to an attorney's office for help is another one of those things. Entering an office with a lot of strange people in there can be a health concern, especially for those of us at higher risk. There's also the high costs that may no longer be necessary. Here at estateLDA, our online system merges your need for documents with modern technology, all from the comfort and safety of your home. Our online system is affordable, fast, and easy to follow. Here's an overview of how we fulfill your document needs. You register online, choose your product, sign the agreement, gather all of your required documents to complete the interview, then go to the secure checkout and complete the payment process. Finally, your product is delivered by mail or email. Did you know that a living trust may help you avoid probate, save money, protect your privacy, provide you with peace of mind, help you establish and retain control of your legacy? Your documents, your way, without leaving home. Learn more. www.estatelda.com